In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive location with our full 2025 guide. If you've been thinking about freeing up some space on your primary drive or just organizing your storage a little better, shifting your OneDrive folder to a different location could be just the answer. Don't worry if this sounds complicated, we're about to break it down into simple steps. First things first, we need to unlink OneDrive from your PC. Start by locating the OneDrive Cloud icon situated on your taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on this icon to bring up a context menu, then select Settings. Once in the Settings, navigate over to the Account tab. Here, you'll find the option Unlink this PC. Selecting it will effectively disconnect OneDrive from your computer. Don't worry, even though you're unlinking, your files are safe up in the cloud. Next up, let's move or choose your new OneDrive location. Open up your File Explorer and find your current OneDrive folder. Now, depending on your needs, you might want to move this existing folder to a new location, or perhaps you want to start fresh by deleting it. Just take note that if you delete the folder, you'll be downloading the files from the cloud again later on. After you've decided and acted on what to do with your OneDrive folder, we'll proceed to the next step. Go ahead and search OneDrive in your Start menu to launch it once more. This will kick off the setup process again. Now that we're restarting the setup, it's time to choose your new location for OneDrive. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials to begin the setup. This is the part where you'll determine where your OneDrive files will be stored on your computer. When you're asked where you'd like to place your OneDrive folder, select Change Location. A new window will pop up, allowing you to browse and select your desired location. It could be a specific drive or folder path that suits your needs, something like the OneDrive perhaps. Finally, go ahead and finish the setup. Once everything is set up, OneDrive will start syncing files to your newly chosen location. This is automatic, so you can just let your computer do its thing while you enjoy a nicely reorganized system. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully changed the location of your OneDrive. Now, whether you're managing your storage or getting ready to upgrade your hard drive, you know how to efficiently move your OneDrive files to where you want them to be. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments.